Hello everyone. Do I need to say anything? You see it right there in front of you. GPT-5 is finally out. I mean, personally, I've been Googling when is ChatGPT 5 going out for the past, whatever, like 7, 8 months, ever since even more than a year. Like, what would ChatGPT 5 do? And all the rumors that got into it of AGI and uh, doing awesome, like out of this world things. But yeah, it is out today. We all woke up and it's finally out. So today I want to just talk a little bit about this with you guys and show you some workflows and show you some charts that neither me or you understand, but worth showing. Uh, so let's see. I mean, I'm sure you guys have watched the talk of Sam talking about this. It for me it seemed similar to what Elon was talking about a couple of weeks ago, right? When Grock 4 came out, about the now Grock 4 is PhD level, right? And it seems Sam was repeating the same thing. There's a bit of time difference between them. I don't know about you guys, but I expected a little bit more because I've been waiting for this for a while. But nonetheless, the quality is, I mean, it's way better than 4 or 4.1, and the quality is there. Like it's much better, especially with the coding abilities and everything. But I guess it was hyped a lot, and this was the issue. There was a lot of rumors. Anyways, so let's check out. So GPT-5 is there on the main website. You can see all the charts. Of course, it tops up everything so far. I mean, of course, when Chat GPT-6 is here, it's going to be a bigger chart here. But as you can see, it's I'm not going to pretend that I know these charts because I don't, but apparently the colored one means that it's better than everything else. Uh, of course, they say it's PhD level math, and it's like having a person or a someone with PhD in almost every field, right? Of course, the cost, it comes with a cost as well, but as with everything, right? Use this in specific situations where quality is very important, and maybe use this uh, with automations that have a high return on investment, right? Um, all right, so let's go over to n8n and let's see. So I've set up this workflow here that basically shows how you can access ChatGPT 5 across different settings. Just a note, since it's recently out, expect that there's lots of requests. People are just testing this model out like crazy. So just bear that in mind. So as with every model, you can access this different ways. The most basic way is directly through OpenAI API, which is a simple barebone HTTP request. And to get that, you can go to their API platform.openai.com, and they have API reference, and here you can see the curl code here about how to send a custom a request, right? It's as you can see here, it has a header, it has everything. So let's copy this, and of course I have things set up here, but if you just do an HTTP request here quite fast and do an import and then paste your curl or curl, whatever you say. Here you'll have everything set up, right? They will put the method, they will put the endpoint, and they will do the authorization. Now you need to put in your API key, so you need to sign up to OpenAI API, and you'll get your API key here. So it's authorization, bearer, and then your API key. Now, if you like me, I don't like to set up my API keys here in the header in this way. I like to set them up in the other way, which is in the authentication and predefined credentials. I already have my OpenAI here. So OpenAI account is already here. It's configured, the API key here, right? Everything is there. And this way I can turn off send headers because they only send this authorization header. So I can turn that off, and basically I just need to replace the 4.1 with a 5. And then the input here is the prompt. So that's basically what I've done with this one. As you can see, it's the same. Credential type, OpenAI, I have that. The model is GPT-5, and the input is tell me a 3-sentence bedtime story about a unicorn. Okay, so let us test this out. Let's see if it's connected. I need it to be connected to a trigger. I'm going to delete this one. And then let's test this. So there you go. It's executing. Now it's gonna, as I said, everybody on planet Earth is probably testing GPT-5 at the moment. But there you go, we have our response. Let's see. So this is the response. Under a silver moon, a small unicorn named Luma wandered through a quiet forest, her mane glowing like dawn on snow. So whatever, yes. It's pretty wild. We got the response. So that's one way. The second way is to message a model. So message a model, the same thing. You just need to set up your OpenAI account here, put in the API key, and then message the model, and you can select GPT-5 from here. And then as well, you put the prompt. Let's say about a whale. Okay? And then we'll do the same. We execute this step. Same thing, it's connected to the same thing. So under moonlight ocean, so they added ocean because it's a whale. Okay, good. Now the last one is through an AI agent, and this is where I want to specifically use Operado, because basically I use Operado for all my models, for all my agents, because it's a one place where you get all your AI models in one place. So here, for example, I have my account set up here. So as you can see here, you need your API key for OpenRouter. It's quite straightforward. And then you can select from all of these models, from XAI to DeepSeek to Google to you name it. Okay, and you can select GPT-5. As simple as it is. But there's one thing with the GPT-5. So when I tried to test out of the box, it told me that I need to go to here. So OpenRouter.ai settings integration. If you search for OpenAI. So this OpenAI, and they told me that I need to put the API key from OpenAI in here. I don't know if this is specific to GPT-5. I think it is, but yeah, for this one I needed to put the API key here. But if you do put it here, it works. So let's get back. So this AI agent, let's just connect this to here. Okay, about a lion. So let's execute this step. Same thing, it just gives us a response. Yep, so that's basically it. I added this, if you guys want, as always, I added the GPT-5 HTTP request to the library of HTTP requests that we have. It is now, I think, more than 35, I don't know. But it has most of the things here that you can just copy and paste. And if, for example, open this, you can see it has everything you need to just replace, and you can have that there for you to use. It is available in my community if you guys want to join. You'll also get lots and lots of other workflows and courses available there. It is called AI Automation Kit and has a lot of goodies. And I'm excited to have you there with me if you guys join. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.